Baker Street and Farringdon Street, or Farringdon as it is now. And it opened, I'd say, 1863, over 150 years ago. We celebrated the 150-year anniversary in 2013, and it's actually the 160-year anniversary this year that we're celebrating as we speak. Obviously, the limitations of technology at the time meant that originally, in the early days of the Underground, the trains were steam powered, and existing steam locomotives were used, and also new ones that had condensing engines to reduce some of the steam produced, though not entirely successfully. And in the top right of the slide there, you can see one of the early locomotives that was specifically designed for the early part of the Metropolitan Railway. We have a lovely example of that at the museum in Covent Garden. And when you get up close and see them, you can see huge condensing pipes down the sides, both sides of the locomotive. And that was designed to reduce the amount of steam that was produced. It wasn't as effective as it could have been. And also, one of the kind of reflections of the experimental nature of Underground Railways at the time was that the head engineer of the Metropolitan Railway, a chap called John Fowler, took it upon himself to come up with a locomotive that dealt with that issue more successfully. But he was unsuccessful, and actually the drawing on the bottom right there is of the locomotive that he designed, but it was nicknamed Fowler's Ghost because he was so ashamed of the fact that he couldn't quite solve the problem that he basically tried to brush it under the carpet. So yeah, it just goes to show how difficult a problem it was to solve in the 1860s. But while the Underground network continued to expand from the 1860s to the 1890s, it wasn't until the advent of electric traction that it could really take off on a really much bigger scale that we're used to now. And in 1890, London saw the opening of the first deep level tube of the City and South London Railway between Stockwell and King William Street, which is near Bank. And the City and South London was originally intended to use cable haulage powered by steam engines, but during construction, so actually when the project was very much ongoing, it became clear that electric traction could actually be used instead. And the railway used small electric locomotives that were designed by that handsome mustachioed chap there, Edward Hopkinson, and they were manufactured by a company based in Manchester called Maiden and Platt. And they were so experimental that they'd actually never been tested in the railway's narrow tunnels, and so when they were running with their carriages in between, they actually often touched the walls when they went round bends. And they also really struggled to pull heavy loads due to their relative lack of power. And you can really see that actually. There's one of these in the museum in Covent Garden, and it's quite a tiny little vehicle really. It's also quite basic, you can see right inside the cab. And even so though, these electric locomotives were really revolutionary in the transformation of paving the way for the Underground to expand deeper and further, and also pointing the way for metro systems across the world. And while the electricity that powered them came from fossil fuel powered power stations, it still represented a relatively green form of mass transport, particularly when you compare it to the steam technology that immediately preceded it. The deep level tube was also enabled by something called the Great Red Shield, which was a form of tunnelling technology that protected the workers and enabled them to add large supporting tunnelling rooms as the tunnels were excavated. And that meant the tunnels would be 20 or 40 metres underground, as opposed to just a few metres, which was how the original Underground was built using electrical cut and cover. And you can actually tell that partly by the shape of the train stop that you'll see as you walk around. The ones that were on the subsurface lines that are quite close to the surface of the ground have a taller profile, squarer profile, whereas the ones for the deep level tube are much more curved and squat and closer to the shape of the tunnels. Also a little nerdy thing is that the subsurface trains are usually known by a letter, so Q stop, whereas the deep level ones are known by the year of their manufacture, so 1938 stop. So that's why a slightly different naming convention. So as I say, the tunnelling technology and use of smaller electric locomotives meant that the tunnel profiles were quite different to the deep level tube, and the trains ran very close to the shape of the tunnels. And as shown in the photograph on the right hand side there, and also as you can see in the gallery itself in Covent Garden. The locomotive was small and basic. The driver would sort of notch up the power to start the engine by turning the control handle on the right-hand side, as you might just be able to see. And on the left is a manual brake for the locomotive and an air brake line that was linked to the train. And it was usually a two-person crew in that relatively confined space. And electrification was rapidly rolled out across the underground in the early 20th century, helping the network expand. Newer and more powerful trains were quite quickly developed. And on the left-hand side there, you've got the locomotive called John Hampden, named after a 17th century parliamentarian. And it was part of the second generation of electric locomotives after the first was built between 1904 and 1906. And John Hampden was one of a series of 20 built to a new design in 1922 and 1923, and it was fitted with 4 300 horsepower electric motors, one for each axle, and they were actually the most powerful locomotives that were ever used on the London Underground. And they were built at a time when most underground lines in London were either changing to or already operating electric multiple units. So in other words, all the cars had electricity rather than only a locomotive putting the passenger carriages behind. And for decades, the Metropolitan remained the only line using locomotive haulage, where a locomotive hauled a series of passenger carriages, and they were finally withdrawn in 1961. And there were actually still parts of the outer Metropolitan line that ran up to Buckinghamshire that still used steam, even at that time. In the 1930s, there was increasing demand and ambitious expansion plans that meant the underground needed new trains. In the 1938 stock, a glorious example of which you can see downstairs, a 4-car unit that's actually restored to operational condition. It was the result of years of trials and in-house research and development. And behind its very smooth, rounded exterior were many innovations, including all of the driving equipment being underneath the floor. So all the electrics were kind of hidden away, creating much more space for passengers and not having all of that kind of electrical mechanical gubbins in the front of the motor car. Over 1,000 of these vehicles were built, running first on the Northern Line and later on in Piccadilly and other deeper tube lines as well. And after nearly 50 years, the last train at that time was withdrawn in 1988. So if you're anything like me and a child of the 1980s, you might just about remember. If you're a bit more vintage, then you might remember them very well. And powering the tube, a lot of the electric power behind the electricity came from Locks Road Power Station, Chelsea, on the banks of the River Thames. And this became operational from 1905. Right at the time when the tube was really kind of expanding quite quickly, initially running on coal, and in the 1960s it was converted to run on heavy fuel oil before becoming converted again in the mid-70s to run on natural gas. And it ultimately provided the majority of the electricity needed to run the underground and the tramways network as well. Only finally being decommissioned in October 2002, at which point the underground was powered by the national grid. And you can see some of the equipment from Locks Road actually at Covent Garden and the digging deeper gallery next to the City South London locomotive that I mentioned earlier. But moving on from rail to road, and simultaneous to the developments that were happening underground, on the surface, road transport was also undergoing a lot of experimentation.